Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming the month of March in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner, and I'm going to be using this monthly kit from my shop. It is called Good Vibes, and you have the top bar here to cover up the days of the week, and then this bar here because there's no days in this week here, this section here in March, and then you have date dots, some bill dues. This here is to cover up the Thursday to Saturday, and then you have some full boxes, some holidays, paydays, and some flags, some birthdays, full boxes, some labels, some washi strips, some sidebars, some like headers for your sidebar, and some icons. And then I'm also going to be doing the notes section. So you have the four circles for the top, the notes banner, and the habit tracker for the bottom. These headers to go in the middle section, and then dots or arrows, whichever you choose for bullet points. And then these are meant to go in the habit tracker section here, or you can use them for whatever you want. So let's just get started. I'm going to flip my planner over. I hope you guys can see that. Just because I think it's going to be easier. And man, is my planner dirty. I don't know how it gets so dirty. You know what? I think it's going to be easiest if I put down this one first. Sorry if you can see my head. And then we'll put this guy at the top. So I got some feedback saying that my my boxes were a little bit short in my kit, so I've reformatted all of my monthly kits to, let's just do the other side right away, so that they are the right size. And also for the notes pages as well. Oops. Oh, these are just so tricky to do. Oh, too far. There we go. Awesome. Oh my, that is so cute. I love that green and pink together. I think that's adorable. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my sidebar. And I'm gonna put, this guy here. There we go. Oh, I think that's so cute. Okay, so what I used to do to clean in next month. I think I'm gonna keep the to do for sure, and I'm gonna keep the to clean. But I never used the next month one. So maybe I will do, I put goals in my notes pages, so maybe I'll do like work. I don't know, we'll try it this month and see. Okay, so this is the base of my spread. I think it's so pretty. I love it. Okay, so let's go into day by day. So on the first, I have a bill due. So I'm gonna put this guy down here. On the 5th, I have another bill due. And I'll warn you in advance, there's not a whole lot happening this month. So it's mostly bill dues and birthdays, but that's okay. On the 8th is a payday. Oops. there. And then on the 9th is another bill. On the 10th is Spring Forward. I can't wait. I made a joke with my mom the other day because I have this little alarm clock on my night table and it's so hard to change. Like I can't figure it out. I always have to pull out the manual and everything to change it. And so I'm like I didn't change it when it turned to fall. So I'm like, hey, my clock's gonna finally be right now. Okay, the 12th is birthday, my daughter's birthday. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't believe I'm gonna have a 4-year-old. That's insane. On 16th is another bill due. And then on the 17th is St. Patrick's Day. And it's also going to be my mother-in-law's birthday dinner. So us girls, like my husband has 3 sisters, and so we're all gonna go out for dinner to celebrate her birthday. And I think for that, let's use, oh, there's like a little present here. There's a green one. Let's use that. Cute. Okay, so then on the 18th I have another bill due. And did I run out already? Yes, I ran out of bill dues already, so I'm gonna start using labels. And then I'm gonna use, there's like these money icons, dollar signs. And on the 20th is a payday. And it's also when spring begins. On the 22nd is another payday. And it's also gonna be planner clip. So I'm gonna put that down. Let's do pink maybe. And to mark that, I'm going to take this little box. On the 23rd, I have a bill due, but I want to, yeah, I'll do a bill due first. And I'm gonna take this dollar sign. And then the 25th is my mother-in-law's birthday. And then it's also Palm Sunday. So starting the 26th is when my daughter's spring break begins. So I'm gonna take washi strips and it's gonna go through this whole week. So let's first put Good Friday down so that I can go like on above it. And I'm gonna take these washi strips. I was debating between that or this guy, because it's gonna go through the whole thing. I think this green is off, so I'm gonna use these guys. And I'm gonna do gonna do like this, and I'm gonna take my ruler. Sorry, I'm gonna take my ruler and just pat it off. And then I'm going to use the second washi strip for the other side. And I'm going to take my ruler again. There, and then to start to show that it's what it's for, I'm going to use these school event stickers from my shop. There's a Spring Break Begin sticker. And I'm just going to layer that on top of there. There, so then we know that she has spring break for this whole week. On the 27th is also going to be my cousin's birthday. So let's put a happy birthday one down. And that is it. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, so that is my spread so far. I'm gonna put some full boxes down on days that I know I don't have anything, like the 3rd. Let's do the 14th. Oops. Maybe we'll do the 4th. Oops. And then let's do the 6th, maybe? There we go. So now I'm gonna take my date dots and I'm just gonna put everything in. I do have some more full boxes, but I think I'm gonna leave them. If I decide I wanna add more later on, I can do that. I'm gonna go put my date dots in and I will be right back. Okay, so now I have all my date dots on. I think that just totally finishes the whole spread and I love it. So now I'm gonna go and do my notes page. So I just took some whiteout and I white out a little bit of the petals here because I didn't want them to show with the notes kit. So I'm gonna start with this notes banner for the top, and I just turned my planner around just to make it easier. And I'm gonna put it right at the top here. There. So cute. And then I'm gonna go put these 4 circles in. Oops. There we go. I love this green. Okay, so cute. And then I'm gonna put my habit tracker box at the very bottom. There. Oh, I love it. That is so cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna flip over to my February one and just see that I wrote devotions, eat healthy, and vitamins. I'm going to put devotions down. I'm gonna put read, because I've been trying really hard to eat healthy, so I pretty much do it every day, but I've been trying really hard to read more, so I want to put that in there. And then vitamins as well. You don't have to use these little script words, you can put your own in, but there's just some popular ones for you. And then I'm going to put in the top here, I'm gonna put, what did I do last year? Goals for the first one. Ooh, don't go down. Oh man. Goals, and I wanted to put work down. I like to track my progress for social media and for sales. I wanted to put down fitness. And I also wanted to put down wish list. Really liked this combo last month, so I want to stick with it. There we go. And then I'm gonna use these little like arrow bullet points just to go down here. So we're gonna put these in each of the lines. And I think I'm gonna do 4. Because then I can just add more if I need to. What I like to do with the circles, I found this really good last month, is I put like the top 4 highlights of the month. So things I really want to remember about the month of February, I put them in there. There we go. There we go. So this is my notes page. I'm very excited. I think it turned out really, really pretty. So I'm just gonna open this back up and I'm gonna show you my notes page, what I have left. This page is completely done. I have a couple headers, some dots, some arrows, and some more script words left. And then for my monthly, I have nothing here, some birthdays and some labels, some full boxes, paydays, and some flags, a bunch of icons, and more sidebar headers. So that is everything for this month. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave any comments you have down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!